Question number 1. In which state is the Sundarbans Delta located? The correct answer is option D, West Bengal. Question number 2. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? The correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question number 3. What is India's first mission to Mars called? The correct answer is option B, Mongolian. Question number 4. Who started the non-cooperation movement? The correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 5. Who was the first Indian to go to space? The correct answer is option B, Rakesh Sharma. Question number 6. Which is the highest law-making body in India? The correct answer is option B, Parliament. Question number 7. Who presents the Union Budget in India? The correct answer is option D, Finance Minister. Question number 8. Which Indian classical dance originated in Kerala? The correct answer is option C, Kathakali. Question number 9. Which Indian festival is associated with colors? The correct answer is option C, Holi. Question number 10. Which Indian chess player became world champion? The correct answer is option A, Vishwanathan Anand. Question number 11. Which stadium is the largest in India? The correct answer is option D, Narendra Modi Stadium. Question number 12. Which sport is Saina Nehwal associated with? The correct answer is option A, badminton. Question number 13. Which Indian women boxer has won multiple world championships? The correct answer is option C, Mary Kom. Question number 14. What is the name of India's premium football league? The correct answer is option D, Indian Super League. Question number 15. Which article of the Constitution provides for equality before the law? The correct answer is option A, Article 14. Question number 16. Which is the most populous state in India? The correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 17. Which is the cleanest city in India as per Swachh Sarvekshan? The correct answer is option C, Indore. Question number 18. Which Indian monument is one of the 7 wonders of the world? The correct answer is option C, Taj Mahal. Question number 19. Which city is famous for Charminar? The correct answer is option A, Hyderabad. Question number 20. Who gave the slogan, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom"? The correct answer is option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 21. Which freedom fighter was known as Lokmanya? The correct answer is option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 22. Who founded the Arya Samaj? The correct answer is option A, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Question number 23. Which is the oldest university in India? The correct answer is option B, University of Calcutta. Question number 24. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? The correct answer is option D, Kerala. Question number 25. Which Indian author wrote The God of Small Things? The correct answer is option A, Arundhati Roy. Question number 26. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Booker Prize? The correct answer is option D, Arundhati Roy. Question number 27. Who is known as the father of Indian education? The correct answer is option C, Lord Macaulay. Question number 28. Which Indian actor won the most Filmfare Awards? The correct answer is option A, Amitabh Bachchan. Question number 29. Who is the first woman to receive the Jnanpith Award in India? The correct answer is option A, Ashapurna Devi. Question number 30. Who was the founder of the Ramakrishna Mission? The correct answer is option D, Swami Vivekananda.